Okay, class, we have a test in 2 weeks.
Oh, man! 2 weeks? I should start now!
Alright, students, it's test day.
Test day! I'm ready!
You have 1 hour to finish.
1 hour? I can finish it in less.
Done!
Here you go.
Okay, I'll grade your test.
Please be an A+. Please be an A+.
Wow, Lily, you got an A.
A+?
Minus?
I'm gonna use flashcards.
I'm gonna read my notes. How about you, Becca? I'm gonna cheat. But how am I gonna cheat?
Don't forget to order Chick-fil-A.
My plushie! I can record all the answers on it.
The capital of Texas is Austin.
The capital of Texas is Austin.
Yes, this test is gonna be a piece of cake.
The largest ocean is the Pacific.
Becca, what's that plushie for?
My plushie? It's just here for support.
Aww, thank you. Ooh, can I hold it?
No, you can't.
Oh, come on.
No, stop it.
Let me hold it.
No, wait, don't.
The tallest mountain is Mount Everest.
Oh, cheater. Go to the dean's office. For this week's test, you're allowed to use 1 cheat sheet.
Yeah!
Using this sheet.
Oh, the sheet's so small.
I can't fit any notes on this. I can make this work. Just gotta get all my notes and make it fit. Perfect.
Everyone pull out your cheat sheets for the test.
I could barely fit anything on my sheet.
I just put some words of encouragement. Lily, what did you do?
See for yourself. It's just tiny lines.
Are you sure?
Whoa!
You put everything on it.
Yup, and I made extra.
Oh, awesome!
Time for training. I'm gonna get the record for the fastest test taker. Go! All done! What time did I get? 37 seconds? That record is mine!
All right, start the test in 3, 2, 1, go!
Done! How fast was that?
35 seconds.
Yes, I got the record!
About that. You got the time, but you did the test upside down.
Oh!
I'll grade your do-over if you can beat your time.
You're on! Kilometers? What's a kilometer?
Chad has a lemonade stand? Lemonade where?
Hey, get back here! Word problems. I know how to solve these. If Max has 8 books, Becca has 6 books, and Lily has 7 books, how many books will Lily have if Max and Becca give her half of theirs?
Come on, you got this.
Oh, I know, 14!
You guys want lemonade?
Get over here.
Huh?
Let's go.
Okay, it's just a test. Calm down.
Are you okay?
Just practicing meditation.
Okay.
About that test.
Test!
Huh?
What's going on? What I was saying is that the test is delayed.
What?
fine now.
Ooh, is that a penny? Ooh, it is. You know what they say, pennies are lucky. Oh, I barely made it.
All right, surprise test.
Seriously? Oh, I didn't study at all. I'm gonna have to guess. Here's my test. Before you say anything, I didn't have a chance to study, and...
Are you sure? Because all the answers are correct.
Really?
Wow, this penny is lucky. I wonder how lucky this coin is.
Here, take this.
Come back here. Huh? Look at all this money. I can't take this. Whose is it?
Congratulations, it's yours! You've just been on the Crafty Cam show. So not only do you get the money, you get a brand new car! This car comes equipped with a leather interior, a V6 turbo engine, and a deluxe speaker system. So what are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna go to space.
Oh, what time is it? Oh no, I'm gonna be late! Oh, just made it! Woo! Huh? I didn't know there was a test! I gotta study! Oh, I don't remember any of this! Oh, I don't have to do!
Remember, pencils only for the test.
Oh, I don't have a pencil! Oh, do you have an extra pencil, Max?
No, this is my only one.
What about you, Lily?
No, you should have came prepared.
Miss Amy, can I borrow a pencil?
Of course you can.
Is that A or C? Oh no! My pencil! It's broken!
Finally.
Sorry! Here's my test. What did I get?
You got an F.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And that's why you should always be prepared.
You said it, Crafty Cat. Remember, you have 3 hours to complete the test.
That should be enough. Just gotta take my time. There. How many questions was that?
3.
Oh, how much time is left?
All right, 1 hour left.
Oh, gotta hurry. I'm almost done. Huh? Turn on the lights. I can't see.
Lights on.
Huh?
Lily, you're still taking your test?
Yeah, how long has it been?
It's been 36 years.
36 years?
Huh?
Oh, I guess I really gotta finish that test soon.
Before we take the test, let's do a roll call. Becca?
Here.
Lily?
Here.
Max? Max? Huh? Where is he?
Right here.
Huh?
Sup, guys?
Did you even study?
I don't know. What class is this?
Well, here's your test.
He's not passing this class.
Done.
Told ya.
Here you go.
Hope we didn't rush through this.
Don't worry, I took my time.
We'll see about that. What? A perfect score? How did you do it?
Lots of studying. Time to study. Maybe later. Drink.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!